Barangay. Caterpillars. Malabo.
So this is the first stage of the butterfly. This is the butterfly's egg right here. Like a small dot. Then this is the second stage of the butterfly, the caterpillar. Here. Then the third stage is the pupa. Right here. Oh, mama. Here, the cocoon, pupa or the cocoon. Then after this one, already the butterfly.
Yeah.
So that's the metamorphosis of the butterfly.
Come on na.
So you're good here, mom? Okay,
Yeah.
so by the way, this would be the end of our tour. Thank you very much for
Thank
coming.
you. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much. So this way to the attic.
This way. Follow.
So tapos na. Yun na ang ano. Tapos namin. Thank you, gang. So ayan guys, dito na tayo sa man-made forest. Yeah. Man-made forest in Bohol. Yes, my love. Go ahead, my love. Go. Careful, my love.
If we can take pictures.
Yeah, we take picture, of course.
And show everyone on
See how they take picture, my love.
Feel so happy.
So, ayan na guys. Nandito na tayo sa forest man-made in Bohol. So, ganito lang yan. Ang haba daw nito, pero hindi na tayo pupunta doon ng malayo. Dito lang tayo kung saan ang mga tao. Yan, maraming turista dito guys. Ayan. So nice. Pataas natin. Ayun yung aming tour guide. So, doon marami doon. Man-made forest in Bohol. Yan, nag-uwi na.